Hi, my name's Sarah Frankland and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. I worked in a chocolate shop as a Saturday job while I was at school. It just used to make people really happy to pick what chocolates they wanted and package them up. So then I decided that I wanted to be a pastry chef. I love working with rabbit. My mother-in-law is French, so every year we go to France. So I do a really lovely stew with like a rabbit and mustard and a cream sauce, which is utterly divine. And being from a pastry background, making a pâté en croûte just felt like a natural step for me. Hi, my name is Sarah Frankland. I am the executive chef at Pennyhill Park, and today we're going to be making a rabbit pâté en croûte. We're very close here to Windsor Great Park, so we work with a gamekeeper there, and so the rabbits are part of the sustainability of Great Windsor Park. So when they are available, it's because it's the gamekeeper working with the natural biodiversity and the amount of rabbits that are needed for the estate diversity. The first step would be to make the pastry, which I've made here and then rolled out and allowed to chill and rest. You can make your own pastry, or equally you could use a short crust pastry that you buy in from the supermarket as well. So now the pastry's rolled out, I'm just going to measure it to line the pâté en croûte mould here. So I'm just lining the mould with the pastry. So I'm just making sure there's no air bubbles inside. I'm just pressing up to make a nice little lip here. So then I'm just going to do the end pieces here, and then we'll be ready to put our rabbit stuffing inside. So I'm just going to put this one now into the fridge so that then all the fats within the pastry cool down while we mix the rabbit stuffing. So now the pastry's chilling, we're going to make our farce, or our rabbit stuffing. So these are the legs of the rabbit that have been minced up. So we're going to mix the rabbit leg mince with a little bit of pork, just to add a little bit of fat content, because the rabbit is very lean. Rabbit is like a really undervalued meat here in the UK. We used to eat a lot of rabbit like post the war. So we've got some like caramelized onions here with a little bit of rosemary, and then I've got the quatre épices, so 4 spices. So it's white pepper, clove, nutmeg and ginger. Obviously some salt. And then again, just talking about seasoning, so a little bit of verjus and a little bit of cider vinegar. So the pâté en croûte is going to be served with a really lovely chutney on the side. So then I'm going to mix all of this together. So I'm just going to dice up the kind of smaller end of the loin. So I'm going to use the bigger part to run through the centre of the pâté en croûte. So we don't want to waste any of the rabbit. Just going to finish mixing this up, and then we're going to fill the mould with the farce. So I'm just pressing it down just to make sure that there's no air pockets in the bottom, making this nice and even. So I'm just going to put the loin into the centre and just run them all the way through. Yep. And then I'm going to continue putting the rest of the stuffing. So you need to just keep pressing. Press it for the last time with a little bit of baking paper so it's nice and flat. So the pâté has been sitting in the fridge just to chill down again. So now we're going to lid it and score it, ready for the oven. So I'm going to put a tiny little bit of just egg wash just on these edges here. And this is to adhere the 2 pastries together so the lid doesn't come off. Now I'm going to press the 2 pastries together. We want to make sure that there's not big air gaps in between the pastry and the stuffing or the farce. So I'm just gently pressing these together. So now I'm going to trim it off. And then I'm going to pinch the 2 pastries together again, to make sure they're really nice and well sealed. And then now we're going to start to egg wash the top. So we want a really lovely golden colour on the top. So So I'm just going to put this in the fridge just to set the first layer of egg wash. So I'm just going to score the top to make a really lovely pattern, and then we're going to put a couple of piping tubes in. We're just going to let the steam out and then pop it into the oven to bake. So you need a nice steady hand to do this. So I'm just going to mark with the piping tube there, cut out that little bit. We're just going to pop the piping nozzle in there, and that's going to keep that nice and open so that then the steam can come out. So this is ready to go into the oven. So this is going to go into the oven at 220 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and then continue to cook it for another 40 minutes. So this is a chutney made with apples and pears from the Penny Hill estate. So I'm just going to pop a couple of fresh nasturtium. This is my rabbit pâté en croûte.